Hey fitness fam! Frustrated with the gym grind? Forget endless cardio and boring circuits. Today, we're unleashing a 5-minute inferno that'll torch fat, build muscle, and leave you feeling like a fitness warrior in no time. No fancy equipment, no complicated moves, just pure, unadulterated sweat magic that'll transform your living room into the ultimate training ground. Intrigued? Before you smash that like button and hit subscribe, because trust me, you'll want more of this. Picture this. Fat melting away like morning mist. This HIIT, high-intensity interval training, blast will skyrocket your metabolism, turning your body into a calorie-burning furnace long after the last rep. Say goodbye to stubborn pounds and hello to a leaner, meaner you. Muscle screaming in the best way possible. We're ditching bicep curls for bodyweight powerhouses like squats, lunges, and burpees. These multi-joint moves engage multiple muscle groups at once, sculpting and toning your physique from head to toe. Get ready for definition you can flaunt, not just flex. Energy levels soaring through the roof. Forget afternoon slumps. This quick burst of movement is a guaranteed pick-me-up, leaving you feeling recharged, focused, and ready to conquer your day. Plus, the endorphin rush is like a natural happy hour, minus the hangover. So, how do we achieve this fitness nirvana in just 5 minutes? It's all about working smarter, not harder. Buckle up, because here's the magic formula. Hit intensity. We're alternating periods of all-out effort with short rest periods. Think jumping jacks, squats, mountain climbers, all done at maximum effort for 30 seconds. Boom, then rest for 15 seconds and repeat. Feel the burn? That's your body transforming. Compound power. Forget isolation exercises like bicep curls, we're talking moves that work multiple muscles at once. Squats, lunges, push-ups, these bad boys work your entire body, maximizing your calorie burn and sculpting every inch. Bodyweight advantage, no gym? No problem. This workout utilizes your own body weight as resistance, making it accessible to everyone, anywhere. Ditch the expensive memberships and embrace the power of your own awesome physique. Ready to unleash your inner fitness beast? Here's a sample 5-minute HIT workout you can follow along with. Jumping jacks for 30 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, 3 times. Squats, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, 3 times. Lunges with twist, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, 3 times. Push-ups 30 seconds on, 15 seconds rest 3 times. And burpees, 20 seconds on, 20 seconds rest, 2 times. Feel free to mix and match the exercises, increase the intensity as you get fitter, and remember, listen to your body. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more killer home workouts, healthy hacks, and a whole lot of fitness fun. Thanks for watching, and if you've made it this far, you deserve a high five, and maybe a post-workout protein shake. Now go forth and conquer your fitness goals, one burpee at a time. Remember, consistency is key. Do this workout 3 to 4 times per week, stay hydrated, fuel your body with good food, and watch your incredible transformation unfold. You got this.